So I like to say I have two firsts. So I'm originally from Trinidad. My first job in the industry was at the Ministry of Infrastructure. I was an intern drafter, doing as-built drawings. I would have to go out and measure old existing government buildings and utilize AutoCAD to draw and save a database, right, to a database. That internship kind of helped shape my path and solidify my decision to pursue construction management engineering as a degree. So when I moved to Miami for college, my first job here was a permit runner slash contract admin for a small company. So that pretty much involved dropping off and picking up plans at the city or county offices, reviewing materials, reviewing permits, stuff like that. After that, I moved on to a company called OHL, which I was the assistant scheduler and estimator. And that's when I really dived into a lot of estimating, scheduling. You know, from there, they had called me and asked me if I wanted to work on this, expensive rail project in Orlando. From there, I moved on to office engineering, and it just kind of, you know, tumbled from there. So it was, office engineering. I was also the scheduler as well. Field engineer. You know, for many different projects here in Orlando. So there was a rail project, working at the airport, doing a lot of different bridges, roads, etc. So, uh, went through all the different stages of, in my career. And then here I am at InEight as a consultant. So somehow I always knew that I would have worked in some fashion of construction. My dad worked in the oil field industry, and he was also the neighborhood handyman. All right. So on the weekends, he would take us to work with him to give my mom a break. Right. And even though it was an oil field, there was always construction ongoing. Um, and guess who was his handyman assistant? Me. Right. So I always knew that I would have eventually end up in construction. So for me, I would definitely say it's two things. Definitely the people that I work with, and also, the clients that we help, that utilize our products to find solutions for them. They achieve that financial discipline, while kind of overall enhancing their efficiency and effectiveness on and off the job site. So I definitely would have to say those are my two passions, the people that I work with and finding solutions for our clients. I would tell them variety is the spice of life. The diversity in career paths construction has to offer is a very, very vast, from administrative roles right through management position. The opportunities are literally endless. There are roles in construction to suit people with different educational and career backgrounds. Throughout my career, I've been an intern, I've been a permit runner, I've been a contract admin, a scheduler, estimator, office engineer, field engineer, project engineer, and now I'm a consultant. So considering a career in construction is worthwhile.